Hello everyone, my name is Julie Corona. I am doing this video for EDOL 700 and I will be talking about the five self-assessments that I chose. One of the self-assessments that I chose was the bucket list. When I first started doing that, I thought to myself, oh, great, I have a lot of things that I would like to do before I die. But then as I kept writing, the list seemed to be so long that I could not think of things. I mean, there were some things that I chose like skydiving, traveling to certain areas, and then my list was probably 10 items out of the 27 items. So I was a little short on that. The next assessment that I chose was my calling. My calling and my passion are similar assessments that basically resulted in the same thing. I am always advocating for students with disabilities and students that are at risk. And one of my passions and also my calling is to ensure that there's a culture shift in education and that teachers are providing that extra support to those students. The other assessment was my life in 10 years from now. So in 10 years, I will still be working, unfortunately. But one of the things that I'm hoping that 10 years from now, I will be a superintendent and I will be able to make an impact and a culture shift in education in a district where teachers' mindset is accepting all students and spending extra time in helping those students that are low achievers that need the extra support, and that resources are bought for students that require more support. We tend to focus more on the high achievers, and being 21st century, we have technology, we have one-on-one Chromebooks for students. However, we tend to neglect students that require specific types of curriculum to address independent skill sets, individual skill sets that will address those deficits. And that is what I'm hoping to do 10 years from now, making an impact and changing a school district with a culture shift. Thank you. That is my information and my results on the five self-assessments for EDOL 700.